Marhish. Suspense. Marhish. Check. Check. Good evening, one and all. Welcome back to another series of Ecstasy. This is Ecstasy 11 today. I hope you are enjoying all the parts of Ecstasy. And before I start today, I just remember a poem which I wrote. If you remember, I think it was Ecstasy 4 when I had written a poem on the COVID fighters. People who are fighting the battle of COVID, that is Corona. And I written a small poem on that. I'm very glad that my cousin Sivalinka Vishwanath, who stays in Vijayawada, he's composed a nice song, a nice tune for that, and the video is edited by Vishwanath Kashyap Ivaturi. These both guys, very young guys, they have developed this video and they have uploaded on YouTube already. It says COVID-19, you can type Sivalinka Vishwanath and you'll get to hear the song. Written by me, the poem which I had written. I requested Vishwanath to compose a tune for that, and he was glad enough that he accepted the challenge immediately, and he ensured that a tune has been made for that, and he has already posted on YouTube. Please kindly have a look at it. Vishwanath is a wonderful singer, amazing talent, Not only my song which he has sung many songs of late on YouTube. Kindly go through his YouTube profile and then subscribe to it. I have subscribed myself to the YouTube, and amazing talent, a young boy, but with wonderful voice equal to divinity, divine voice, what he has got. He sings amazingly well, and I would always wish that he keeps on singing and entertaining us, all of us here. And I'm honored that he has taken this step forward and developed a nice tune for the song, for the poem which I have written. So thank you, Vishwanath, once again. We have been a family of musicians. My attas, my entire family, I think my granny, my mom's mother, my granny in Vijayawada, they're from Vijayawada. She's an amazing singer. My Pinni, Dugu Pinni, who's there in Hyderabad now, she's an amazing singer. I have Ganesh, who is doing wonderfully well for his career. He's actually made this his career and he's doing a wonderful job. Marti Bala's son, a wonderful job he has done. He's singing amazingly well. I have Manognya, one of my cousins again, who has recently uploaded a song, Vasigara, from the movie, I think, which movie is that? Manohara. Manohara is the song, and she has sung the song wonderfully well. I appreciate her also at this time. And so that's how it goes. I have some great memories, some great family members who are the connoisseurs of music, I would say. Late Akinathe Garu, who's no more now, she was a great connoisseur of music. Minashuti Garu in Vijayawada, she always appreciates different kinds of voices. And probably entire family, my father sings very well. The day when he is getting the mood, maybe I'll certainly ask him to sing to start the show next time. I'll prepare him for that. And my mom sings very well actually. And it's very nice that you have a lineage of people who are musically connected together. So my Pednana Garu, late Sri K. Subramanian Garu, he is also a wonderful singer, amazing guy. His son Natraj, who stays in Fanania, we call him Fanania, he stays in Patparganj, Delhi. He's got an amazing voice. So I think somehow I've taken few things from the lineage, and I'm just, I would say, a singer. I just I never planned to become a singer, but yes, God has given the gift, so certainly I'll try and make use of it maximum. And coming back to ecstasy, before I start today's evening, we have just an evening. I told you it has been already shifted to Thursdays. This evening on Thursdays, and from 9 to 10 p.m. You already know that I have announced it in the last session also. So let's start today's evening. We have some bumper numbers today, and I'm sure you will like it. Let's start the evening now. Check. Just let me know, as I say always, whether your mic voice, whether the music is clear to you. It's raining outside, so you might find some difficulties with the network, which is not there in our anvil. So let's see how it goes. If something happens in between, probably in the power cut, something like that, from my side, I will certainly continue. After half an hour, once the power comes, I'll continue. So I'm going to inform you right now. I don't know, I'm not sure whether the power cut is going to be there. In case there's a power cut, please come back. I will be there. We'll inform you about the power cut, and we'll certainly come back today evening. I'm not going to leave the evening alone with you guys. So thank you very much. Let's start the evening. It's a nice number. A nice Telugu number which I practiced. I love this song, and from the movie Ninne Pelladta. Let's see how it goes. ఎటు వెళ్ళిపోయింది మనసు, ఎటు వెళ్ళిపోయింది మనసు, ఇలా ఒంటరయింది వయసు. ఓ చల్లగాలి ఆచూకి తీసి కబురియలేవా ఏమైందో, ఎటు వెళ్ళిపోయింది మనసు, ఇలా ఒంటరయింది వయసు. ఓ చల్లగాలి ఆచూకి తీసి కబురియలేవా ఏమైందో, ఏమైందో. Check. ఏ స్నేహమో కావాలని ఇన్నాళ్ళుగా తెలియలేదు, మనసుందని నాకెవ్వరు చెప్పలేదు. చెలిమి చిరునామా తెలుసుకోగానే రెక్కలొచ్చాయో ఏమిటో, ఎటో వెళ్ళిపోయింది మనసు, ఇలా ఒంటరయింది వయసు. ఓ చల్లగాలి ఆచూకి తీసి కబురియలేవా ఏమైందో, ఏమైందో, ఏమైందో. కొలువున్నది కనులుండి ఏం లాభముంది, ఏ కదలిక కనిపించని శిలలాంటి బ్రతుకెందుకండి, తోడువతుడుంటే జీవితం ఎంతో వేడుకవుతుంది అంటూ ఎటో వెళ్ళిపోయింది మనసు, ఇలా ఒంటరయింది వయసు. ఓ చల్లగాలి ఆచూకి తీసి కబురియలేవా ఏమైందో, ఎటో వెళ్ళిపోయింది మనసు, ఇలా ఒంటరయింది వయసు. ఓ చల్లగాలి ఆచూకి తీసి కబురియలేవా ఏమైందో, ఏమైందో, ఏమైందో. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's the first song. There has always been a great request for Telugu number because I am from Hyderabad. So all my cousins want to listen to some nice Telugu song. The first one which I started today. Let's see what we have next. Let's go to this number. Very popular number again. Let's see how it goes. तूने क्या किया, मैंने किया तेरा इंतजार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार। साथिया तूने क्या किया, बेलिया तूने क्या कहा, यूं न कभी करना इंतजार, मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार, मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार। साथिया तूने क्या किया, बेलिया तूने क्या किया। इतनी मोहब्बत सह न सकूंगा, सच मानो जिंदा रह न सकूंगा, तुझको संभालूं ये मेरा जिम्मा, मैं हूँ तो क्या हूँ जानता वरना, अब जीना मरना मेरा जानम तेरे हाथ है। मैंने कहा सनम अब तो मेरे साथ है, तो फिर संभाल ये मैं चला जाना था, आ दिल में आ साथिया तूने क्या किया, बेलिया तूने क्या किया। Check, check. दिल के चमन था हंसना तो देखो, जागी नजर का सपना तो देखो, ऐसे हुए हम एक जाने एक दिल, तू है कि मैं हूँ कहना है मुश्किल, जो का बसंती है तू, तन है गुलाबी तेरा, तो रंग मिलने के बाद होते नहीं है जुदा, तो फिर संभाल दिल ये चला जाना था, आ दिल में आ साथिया तूने क्या कहा, बेलिया तूने क्या कहा, यूं न कभी करना इंतजार, मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार, मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार। Thank you. That's another good number for you. Let's see what we have next. Today's lineage. Some wonderful numbers which. Let's go with this. चाहूंगा मैं तुझे साँझ सवेरे, फिर भी कभी अब नाम को तेरे आवाज मैं न दूंगा, आवाज मैं न दूंगा। चाहूंगा मैं तुझे साँझ सवेरे, फिर भी कभी अब नाम तो तेरे आवाज मैं न दूंगा, आवाज मैं न दूंगा। चाहूंगा मैं तुझे साँझ सवेरे। भी तू सब है पता, सुनता है तू मन की सदा। देख मुझे सब है पता, सुनता है तू मन की सदा। मितवा आवाज मैं न दूंगा, आवाज मैं न दूंगा। चाहूंगा मैं तुझे साँझ सवेरे, फिर भी कभी अब नाम को तेरे आवाज मैं न दूंगा, आवाज मैं न दूंगा। चाहूंगा मैं तुझे साँझ सवेरे। दर्द भी तू, चैन भी तू, दर्स भी तू, नैन भी तू। दर्द भी तू, चैन भी तू, दर्स भी तू।